Hello, I'm Andy and I'm going to read to you a weekly horoscope for zodiac signs. And this is for you coming from Leo, and this is for June the 25th to June the 30th. So let's start with June the 25th for you. A very good start on a Sunday morning and afternoon period. Plenty of harmony, plenty of opportunity to be with your people you love and the people you want to be with. Outings, well, and bondings and enjoying yourself. Talks of travel, talk of holidays. You may be on holiday already. And so it's such a lovely morning and afternoon period. There is one planet roaming around that can make you a little bit argumentative, a bit hasty, and a bit impatient. Try to control this planet by not doing these things. Allow others to take the lead. Evening and nightfall period, this particular planet of speed, who makes you behave with speed in whatever you say and do, he takes over with his colleague. And therefore, these two planets are going to make you hasty, impatient, and argumentative. So tell yourself, program yourself, well, I'm out socializing, and whoever I'm with, I'm not going to be hasty and impatient in what I say and do, and I'm not going to be argumentative. And drive slowly, by the way. 26th of June for you from Leo is not a very good day actually. Morning, afternoon, evening, nightfall, they are planets that are not very stable. Morning and afternoon period, these planets bring frustration, they bring bad news, they bring depression. And news about your past or people you know of your past or troubles of the past can also come about, making you depressed as well. So what do? It's a working day. So on this Monday, the 26th, focus on your work. Don't allow your mind to roam around. Focus on your work and concentrate on what you have to achieve. And this way, the hours will pass by and you would have achieved something instead of just being unhappy. Evening and nightfall periods warn you of the company you keep may not be good. So money can be wasted and time can be wasted. And all that glitters is not gold is how I would describe it. So all that glitters on gold means that you could be a person who wastes time on others. The company you keep must be very carefully chosen. Otherwise you are going to end up with all kinds of headaches on this evening and nightfall session. If you don't have to socialize, don't. 27th of June for you coming from Leo is going to be a very good day, morning, noon and night. Only there's a planet that makes you over-determined in what you want to do. And so you come out looking very aggressive, using words which are very pushy, and action which is extremely aggressive. So do the opposite. Take the soft approach. And this way you will be able to handle your 27th of June, Tuesday, morning and afternoon period much better. Take the soft approach and you'll get things done at your place of work or in business. Okay? Evening and nightfall period turn very good for you. In fact, very good. You get very lucky meeting the right people. So it's a good time, evening and nightfall period, mix business and pleasure, or go out with your marriage, family people, or go out with your romance partner. Whatever you do is going to bring plenty of solutions. In fact, where you couldn't find solutions morning, afternoon, you'll find all the solutions waiting for you in the evening and nightfall period. A very nice ending. You're going to meet people from another country, possibility of meeting people who are strangers but of a different race. Things like that make it a very exciting evening and nightfall period. 20th of June starts very well for you. So you have the leadership role at your place of work. You have the leadership role in business. You are found to be very attractive, so others want to listen to your plans. And so this way you can make your morning, afternoon sessions be very productive. Only one issue is don't be arrogant and try to be able to share ideas and be agreeable. Because there's a planet that makes you not only arrogant but very difficult in accepting the ideas of other people. So do the opposite and be agreeable, be friendly, be supportive. And this planet who wants to make you arrogant will leave you alone. And therefore you can make your morning, afternoon periods extremely good, even your early evening periods. The late evening and nightfall period, there's a planet that brings depression, it slows down, it brings news of the past to make you depressed. You can meet people of the past or people you have known before that make you either angry or makes you feel sad. So if you don't have to socialize, don't socialize. But if you have to be out with people, you cannot afford to be all the time gloomy. That's the way to describe it. And so if you're out with people, don't expect too much. Be in the company of people, but don't expect too much. 29th of June is going to be a very good day for you coming from Leo. Morning, afternoon period, it's a working day. And these are very emotional planets that can make you dream-like, make you a bit playful, make you be distracted very easily. So that can be a trouble. So tell yourself, morning, afternoon and early evening period, I have to concentrate and focus on what I really need to do. And that way you'll be able to make the morning, afternoon period be very productive for yourself. Okay? You can meet, it's an emotional planet day in morning and afternoon. So if you are chasing for romance, it's a good time to do that. I like your evening and nightfall section planets as well. Now, the only drawback is one of these planets is very aggressive, makes you pushy, makes you demanding, makes you just come out aggressively and over-determined as what you want. No, do the opposite. Take the soft approach. Use words which are soft, a tone of voice which is soft, a body language that is soft, and you'll be the darling of everybody. And you will get what you want as well in the evening and nightfall period. Okay? 30th of June starts very well and is going to end very well. Morning, afternoon periods, plenty of good news comes, enlargement of your position, a promotion at work, business areas looking very good, and the chances of you making good business contacts. So be active, communicate in whatever you do. Have lunch with your marriage partner, romance partner, or out with your business-orientated people or with your colleagues. You are going to score very well in the morning, afternoon period. Nightfall period, I would say, becomes even better. And so you are able to do extremely well the whole day. Socialize, make plans with whoever, and you will see that the enjoyment and the satisfaction and the ability to do well in whatever you attempt to do will be seen for you in the evening and nightfall period and throughout the whole day. Just two things. Don't dominate too much if you can, and don't show an oversensitiveness as well. Okay? Well, that's my advice for you. I'm already Skyping and I'm charging USD 50 for a 90-minute session with me, and that is based on your date of birth and time of birth and looking at your palms and looking at your face when we Skype. There's a thing called face reading as well, and if you want me to use my Kabbalistic cards, I will as well. And so it's going to be an intense and very good intense period of 90 minutes. For your next 5 or 6 years, I will describe them to you and advise you how to handle them. And so go to Facebook and follow me and ask me questions, communicate with me, try to make a date to Skype with me one day, or just go to Skype itself and you'll be able to do very well as well. Okay? And that's what I have to tell you. I wish you the best of luck. Good talking to you. Goodbye.